Hey my friend, Will here with the XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. Some really exciting news here today for you in this video. A cool new feature added to the new MacBot Pro robot system. And what I've added to it is a scanner. So it's going to save us a lot of time when we're getting set up with our VPN. All we need to do is load one chart onto our VPN, our VPS server. So we will, when we download the charting software, we just need to load one chart up, and what I'm going to show you now is what you have to do. Okay, so what you're going to do is go to the expert advisors here and just make sure all this is long and shorts okay, allow live trading is okay. Next we're going to go to the inputs. Okay, so what I've been able to do here is put in a scanner. Okay, so instead of loading the robot on the all the different charts, all the different assets we want to be trading that we might have trade set up on, we just simply do our analyst and then type the asset we look to trade into the trade symbols section of the robot here. Okay, now in between each one make sure we put the dot. Okay, so that breaks it up and allows us to take the robot to know we're moving on to the next asset. Okay, so you've got 5 different signals happening at once. Instead of loading the robot on the 5 different charts, just load it onto the one chart and just put in the different assets in here. Okay, next down below, so make sure if you wanted to sell the Euro USD or buy the Euro USD, you'll have buy then dot. Okay, then the next trade, next line will be the British Pound USD. If you look at the sale, put the dot, and then next for the British Pound JPY. Okay, and so on. So you put in, if you want to trade another asset, put the dot AUD USD, and here you put the dot, and so you want to buy. Okay, buy. Here take similar thing if you want to put in a take profit and stop loss. Okay, now take profit if you just want to, if you leave that 0 and have it close at opposite divergence tree. So if it opens at a classic divergence, it will close at the next classic divergence on any of the time frames that you've selected. Okay, stop loss, you put in your stop loss for each asset here, whatever you've analyzed and measured it to be. Put your lot size in here, so it'll take the same lot size for each trade. Max orders, it will take one max order per asset. Okay, next we just go down here, same thing as normal, we just select the time frame to look at the trade. For swing trading, 4 hour and daily signals, day trading 1 hour and 30 minutes, sometimes 15, and for scalping of the 5 minute and 1 minute. So very powerful now, saves a lot more time, so it does. Yeah, so I wanted to share that with you. If you haven't got the MacBot Pro indicator robot system yet, simply click the link below. If you have any questions, get in contact with me at will@fxas.com, and happy trading. Speak to you soon.